Welcome to Intro to Mechatronics Part 3. In this video, we'll be going over the physically wiring and programming of normally open and normally closed inputs. Recall from a previous video that a normally open switch is connected when the switch is on and not connected when the switch is off. A normally closed contact, on the other hand, is not connected when the switch is on and connected when the switch is off. You can think of this as an inverter that changes an on input to an off output and an off input to an on output. These contacts, when closed or connected, energize coils, which could represent a motor or light or other electronic device. So to begin, we have a column that represents the physical switch in its state of on or off. I have a diagram that represents the physical wiring of the switch. This consists of an input designated with an A and an output designated with an X. Notice on the diagram that the circuit runs through a program before energizing or not energizing the output. So to the right, I have a program diagram which has the same on or off state that is going through the wired switch for the input. The program contact does not need to have the same type of contact depending on what your desired result is. I will represent a contact or energizer being switched on by a yellow box around it. So if the switch is flipped on, in the first case, then the output is also on. The wired normally open switch powers on the program normally open contact, which connects the circuit and energizes the output. The next case is when the switch is off, the output is also off. The wired normally open contact is off, so the program normally open contact is also switched off and not connected, so the output remains off. So now if we have a normally closed contact wired and a normally closed switch programmed, we invert the inverter, so it results in the same outcome as a normally open switch wired and a normally open button programmed. When the switch is on, this causes a not on signal for contact B to go to the program contact, which for a normally closed contact, a not on is a connected condition, so the output is on. If the switch is off, then an on signal is sent to the program for the contact, so the normally closed contact is on, then it disconnects the circuit and the output remains off. Next, if we have a normally closed switch physically wired and a normally open input programmed, this will invert the switch so the output is off when the switch is on and the output is on when the switch is off. For the final condition, we have a normally open switch wired and a normally closed input programmed. Once again, this will invert the result, so if the switch is on, the output will be off, and if the switch is off, the output will be on. You may want to pause here for a minute to take it all in. That concludes this video. Hopefully I've earned a like, share, or subscription. If you enjoyed this video, you may enjoy one of these videos as well. Let me know how I'm doing in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.